Okay, here's how they get out, or how they travel to the free range area. Come on, girls. Took a couple weeks to train them because I wasn't consistent, but what I do is whistle and shake grain. I don't have grain with me, but I'll whistle. Come on, girls. They travel 145 linear feet from the coop through my gardens behind the arborvitae and into the free range yard where they take care of my vegetable perimeters, etc. They go around the dove aviary. That's the dove aviary is for another video. And then they come in through here